So I'm under the car today. There's a slight rattle when you accelerate, especially with the like lower end, sort of like second gear torque, when that's picking into about 2,000-3,000 revs. And it sounded like it come from the right. However, I don't know if you can see this, that's rusted out. You can see that on that picture there. It's even worse here. It's completely not connected, this heat shield above this exhaust. So I'm hoping if I take this out, they won't fail it. Surprisingly, the only 3 bolts that are still kind of intact are the ones behind the wheel, which you would think the ones behind the wheel would get kicked up all the crap, would have dirt and moisture stored there constantly, wouldn't you? But these are the only ones that seem to have lasted the journey in the last 17, 18 years of its life. But if I disconnect it, it doesn't want to disconnect from there, does it? This one doesn't want to come out, but it feels like it might be loose. It is loose. You look at all the crud there. You'd think that would be the worst bit. Now, I'm going to carefully get this out, just in case it does fail ITV, and I've got to put it back in. And if I've got to put it back in, it means that I can reuse it and just repurpose it, but put some more fresh holes and fresh bolts in, because it's actually kind of in one piece, apart from where the... I'll have to put this down. I can't get it off my hand. There we go. Yeah, they've all rusted out apart from that end. Rear quarter. It's pretty bloody clean under here, really, for an English car that spent its life in the north of England at the coast for some of it as well. Right, it's time to drop the car, get it off the 2 ramps, and take it for a drive and see if what noises we've got. Again, too big and too old for this. All this paint job left on this. Obviously never had the washer jet cover for the front lights, so it's missing down there. So I've had to mix up paint, then I've had to mix up clear. Quickly do it before the wife comes back and sees the stones nicely done. But that's stuck to the top of an old brake cleaner can. That's had 3 coats of clear, 2 coats of colour. That's good to go. Leave that to dry. I have to clean the freaking gun. Pain in the ass. Right, the noise has not gone. I'm going to take it to the garage because it's came since they've done it. When he was doing the rear wheel bearings. It disappears on braking, so it could be like a clip on the caliper, or it could be, it's unlikely to be dust, because it's like it's fucking annoying. And the rattle on acceleration, I don't know. But I'm going to take it down, because it's come since he's done it, so it's on him.